Hello everyone, today we've got here Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First of all, open the settings, then find and select security and privacy. Click on lock screen and mark fingerprints. So at first tap on continue, mark next. If you do not have PIN, password or pattern yet, you will have to create it. Let me enter PIN code. And now, as you can see, the sensor is located on your power button, so just tap here and keep tapping until it's fully added. As only it is done, mark done. And from now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Obviously, you can also use this backup pattern. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.